We're going to put silicone paste on the parts where they connect, where they go. Just put it right here. Remember, these brakes don't have no brackets in the bracket. They have no metal bracket. And then we're going to put this in. Now remember, this goes up, not down, up. So it goes like this. They sit like this. That's how they sit. This thing sits up because this is going to hit the rotor from here. Now if you did it this way, you couldn't even do it this way. They would go like that. You want this. Don't do it this way. This is not the right way. This is the right way how to put them in. Just like that. The indicator goes up. Make sure you get pads with indicators so they can tell you when you're hitting the rotor or before you're hitting the rotor. But that's the best option. You can get them from Rock Auto, but I didn't get them from Rock Auto. But that's it. This pad's in. We're done with that. Now we got to torque these bolts, these two bolts down right now.